Energetic, I think, excited for PSL starting in 2 days' time.
Yeah, Akib, I am falling in cricket fever, right?
And Tharba, you also like this news as well that Lahore Qalandars has called Shakib Al Hasan for the remaining matches for HBL PSL, and I think he's replacing Daryl Mitchell because Daryl Mitchell is not coming to Pakistan for the second leg.
Yeah, Akib, it's a very good sign because Shakib Al Hasan has been in very limelight in
Controversy. Tharbi, as you're talking, obviously the Lahore has to beat Peshawar. Peshawar is getting stronger because Babar Azam has recovered from injury and he will be available for the crucial match against Karachi and Lahore. How do you see? Because Peshawar also need to win their both matches. So they are also struggling for success.
Yeah, Akib, struggling for success now has been a trademark, Akib.
So there are lots of discussion happening. Sport and Tharbi with us today. Or you think?
May good Akib, God is too kind. What about you?
You're doing well, Tharbi. You're looking energetic. I think excited for PSL starting in 2 days' time.
Yeah, Akib, I am falling in cricket fever, right? Cricket fever is at its peak, not only in ourselves, but for the all cricketing lovers, especially in Pakistan, but also around the globe as well. So that's why this excitement is just because of cricket fever.
And Tharbi, you also like this news as well that Lahore Qalandars has called Shakib Al Hasan for the remaining matches for HBL PSL, and I think he's replacing Daryl Mitchell because Daryl Mitchell is not coming to Pakistan for the second leg.
Yeah, Akib, it's a very good sign because Shakib Al Hasan has been in very limelight in
Controversy.
Some legal
Political as well.
political, and it's just a part.
He's a huge name.
He's a huge name. He's a brand. He is my childhood star. Akib, to be honest. So Akib, it's a very good sign that we are having a very seasonal and senior player in PSL 11.
Thereby you hoping that Lahore
PSL
will,
10, sorry, PSL 10.
you're hoping that Lahore will finish the title under his leadership, under his playing.
Yeah, Rakib, I wish Lahore should win this title and high up the trophy on their hands. But Akib, in the current scenario, but Lahore team is also, I have seen that struggled a lot.
They need to beat Peshawar. They need to win against Peshawar.
Beat Peshawar, otherwise it will be very difficult for them to win this title.
Tharbi, as you're talking, obviously the Lahore has to beat Peshawar. Peshawar is getting stronger because Babar Azam has recovered from injury and he will be available for the crucial match against Karachi and Lahore. How do you see? Because Peshawar also need to win their both matches. But they are also struggling for success.
Yeah, Akib, struggling for success now has been a trademark. Akib, not only it's my WhatsApp status, but it is I have taken this status just keeping in mind the current situation of our cricketing team. So Akib, yeah, Peshawar is also struggling for success, but Akib, Lahore only have to win one match and Peshawar has to win two matches,
Which is tough ask.
which is tough ask for them in the scenario in which all branded and high-class teams are just one step
And we
above.
can't take Karachi lightly also. Karachi is also under David Warner.
Yeah, okay, but in past, Karachi was also struggling for success, but now Karachi has turned out to be a very strong contest.
And thirdly, as we are talking about the coaching things happening in Pakistan, Coach Mohammad Hafiz and Azhar Ali have gone for coach and coach Bhutan, and this is a little bit of an old news. I think they want to become part of the Pakistan coaching setup. How do you see this news?
Yeah, Akib, I think it's a very good sign that we are about to see more coaches in our coaching Hall of Fame. So Akib Hafiz and Azhar Ali has been a very huge name in our cricketing history, and especially Azhar Ali is a very down-to-earth and humble person, but
Always talking for welfare. of
yeah,
the cricket.
always talking for the welfare of the cricket, and also his form used to speak instead of his words.
He was the wall of Pakistan.
He was the Rahul Dravid of Pakistan, no doubt about that. And his triple century was just stupendous. And Hafiz is also a bit outspoken, but he has shown also good interest in the selection team as well, selection committee as well. I think Hafiz and Azhari could be a good choice for Pakistan in sense of coach.
And thirdly, as we are talking about Azhar Ali, obviously one of his close teammates, Misbah-ul-Haq, it's been 18 years since Misbah-ul-Haq has retired from the cricket. And today there is a news coming that he might be a part of the Pakistan cricket setup. How do you see? Him and Saud Shakil in the test setup.
I think in previous video I mentioned that instead of Misbah-ul-Haq, we could have seen Yunus Khan in this setup.
You know, under Misbah we had a bad tenure.
Bad tenure as well, but not sure why Misbah has been taken back again. I think we want to put team on the more back foot as well. I think it's a clear sign. So I think PCB should take the action, and I think they should replace Misbah-ul-Haq with Yunus Khan. Otherwise, it will be very devastating effect for the Pakistani, especially test team.
But do you think the IRB board hates Yunus Khan a bit because also there was a revolt against him when he was the captain? Because Yunus Bhai is considered as a very strict and upright person. He's also a very serious kind of an individual.
Akib Muhammad, Yunus Khan is a man of words, man of vision, man of discipline, right? So that's why Akib well versed
World Cup winner also.
World Cup winner also, and Akib well versed, well disciplined person is always disliked. Akib. That's why Akib Yunus Khan is struggling for success to make his way for this position. Otherwise, he was the most suitable candidate for this post.
Because we need honest people in the
Yeah.
board. And very lastly, obviously, before we close this video, ECB has decided, the English board has decided to block England players from playing IPL 2025 playoff matches. How do you see? Because also the English cricket boards are quite strict on their players playing league cricket, and IPL has also made a law that you can't skip the league like this. How do you see it?
Akib, I totally agree with you, and it's a good sign. I think it's just because that recent tension between Pakistan and India is also a reason for this.
And English season starts in May also. English
Definitely.
cricketing
So
season.
there are two reasons. One is just because of English season, and second for the security of their players. Because Akib, in India there are huge security concerns which we can understand, and unfortunately due to some reason that ECB is unable to spoke on this issue. But the fact is, just because of security concern, ECB is abiding by their players to play for.
And you know,
by
Tarbit, the
PSL.
West also has a little bit of terror when it comes to war and these kind of things.
Yeah.
They're quite, try to prioritize.
Yeah,
this
Akib, I haven't seen even a single message from or single statement from a player that they are waiting anxiously for the start of IPL. But for the PSL, David Warner has shown a huge courage and salute that
he
person. That
he was motivating all the players even
yeah,
during the
just
war.
before the arrival of David Warner, lot of fingers were uprising against him that he is a very attitude person and blah blah blah. But the courage and bravery he has shown is just a stupendous, and he also encouraged the other players in this scenario that no doubt it's a hard time, but good time will also be back.
But thank you so much, inshallah tomorrow then we'll try to share that for the video, like subscribe to the channel, comment, and good day from me and Tarbit side, take good yourself and Allah Hafiz.